Hello guys. Okay, what we have here is a research conducted in a school. The subject of the study, we have an English grade students. The purpose of this research is to analyze how well these students were doing in listening. Okay, to identify which technique the researcher is applying. So we're gonna go through this paper. Let's go through this paper to see what method is going to use. So we have quantitative and qualitative descriptive research. So basically, what it says is that he uses interviews, he uses observation, he uses numbers, numerical forms to achieve his purpose later on. So as you can see in this table, he's using numbers, he's using also he's gonna be using also let me show you guys. He's gonna be using also formulas. He's gonna be using a lot of statistics analysis, numerical forms to measure these are the abilities skills. I'm sorry, the abilities of the students in terms of listening. Okay, we have also a big table here. We have been collected by numbers. However, as I told you, he also used interviews and deeply observation of the participants, that is the students and the teachers. The students, the 48 students, and the teacher. One more time, we have the formulas, we have all the tools that he's going to be using to reach a conclusion. Okay. Now let me show you, for example, let me take a sample here. We have a student's ability in paraphrasing and translating technique. So here is the result. This is how he's organizing the result. Okay, very high category, average category. That's the number of the students and the percentage of the result. However, all these numbers per se, they don't mean anything. Here, as you can see, let's come with me. Let's read a little bit. Okay, we have, based on the documentary result of the ability of the students in paraphrasing and translating, it is known that there are, who can answer the questions good enough in paraphrasing and translating technique, and it involves an average category. Okay, let me show you something here. Here. All right. Okay. Students still having difficulty in making simple dialogue based on students' own words. This problem due to the students still has a little vocabulary to improve their writing, although their understanding can help them forgetting the information in the statements or dialogues. As you can also see, the researcher is using also qualitative method, and that is because he is analyzing, he's observing the behavior of the students, how well they are responding to the teacher techniques implemented in the class. Okay, so that's something that's repeated in all the techniques that the teacher implements in the class. Okay, so based on these numbers, based on these formulas, say that the researcher used two types of method of data collection, that is quantitative method and qualitative method. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.